Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Belicia Face right here, and in today's video, guys, I'm gonna be teaching you guys support and resistance and how to trade support and resistance. Okay, support and resistance is one of the most widely used concepts in trading. Okay, so many traders they use support and resistance to trade. So many big traders and even beginners. Okay, so they use support and resistance for trading. So I want to explain to you guys support and resistance today and how to trade using the support and resistance. Okay, so guys, let's look at the basic of support and resistance. Okay, so guys, on my chart, I'm going to be showing you guys um how to identify a support and a resistance. Okay, so guys, let's start from resistance. Okay, a resistance indicates where there will be surplus of sellers. So guys, whenever a market is buying and it starts selling, the point where the market starts to sell from is called the resistance. And whenever the market is selling and it starts buying, the point where the market starts buying is called a support. Okay, so guys, let me show you guys something. Okay, so the market have been buying from here. Okay, and then from here now the market started selling. So here is the resistance, and then it sold to here, and then from this price it starts going up. So here is the support. Okay, so here that it started to sell from, we are going to mark there as our resistance zone. And for us to get a zone properly, we are not using line, we are using a zone. Okay, so let's mark the zone properly. So this zone here is called a resistance zone. So here is the point where the market sells from. Okay, so this zone there is surplus of sales in this zone. So what how do we trade a resistance zone? So whenever we have a resistance zone like this, what we have to do whenever the price gets to the level, we look for a reversal candlestick pattern. Okay, for us to take a sell at the resistance level. Okay, so but there are two ways which we trade the support and resistance level, either breakout or reverse. So guys, let's first talk on the reverse. So here the market reversed from the resistance level three times. Okay, so the first one we can see the market came back to the resistance level and it started to react. Okay, whenever it starts reacting like this, it means that yeah, the buyers are done and then the sellers have taken over the market. So whenever we start seeing so many reaction, like you see this red pin bar, so it is showing us that yes, the buyers are done, the buyers are weak. So then we now enter our sell from the resistance level. Okay, so the same thing happened here again, and then the market reversed. And this last one, we see this pin bar. This pin bar is very strong. Okay, and after the pin bar, no any other bullish candle again. The market dumped from there. So guys, that is what we call a resistance level. So a support is a place where a market starts to buy to to buy from. Okay, it's a point where the sellers are done and then the buyers have taken over the market. The point where the market stops selling and it starts buying is called a support. Okay, so and whenever the market comes to this area, there will be more of a buy than a sell. Okay, so guys, the market have been dropping here, and then from here the market starts to buy. So here is called a a support. Okay, so let's draw the support zone, and then let's wait for market to reach at the price, and let's see how market reacts to it. So guys, So guys, this is a support zone. This is called a support zone. Okay, this is called a support zone. So the market went up, came to the support zone, and then there is a very strong pin bar rejection here. And then from there, we see how the market starts flying up from the zone. So whenever you see a pin bar or a strong pin bar or a strong confirmation candle from a support or resistance, so you have to take your position, okay? Place your stop loss and you take profit, okay? So that's how we trade support and resistance, okay? So the one which I've been explaining since is the bounce, okay? So and then it came to the level and reacted again, so it went up. So this is how we trade support and resistance, bounce, okay? So guys, I will also show you guys how to trade support and resistance with breakouts, okay? So guys, there are two ways which I trade support and resistance. So the reversal and the breakout. Okay, the reversal is the one which I use to give example of the support and resistance. Okay, so the breakout is divided into two, the breakout and the break and retest. Okay, so guys, first of all, let me first one example of the breakout, then I will now show you the break and retest. The one which I trade most time is the break and retest. So I will show you one example of the breakout, and then I will show you an example of the break and test because I understand very well. Okay, so guys, so guys, here is a support zone. Here is another support zone. So for you to have a breakout, you have to link two touches of support zone. Okay, so then you will extend the line this way. So you wait for price to come to this level. So if it reacts, so you will trade it as reversal. But if it doesn't react and breaks out, so you will enter your short position. Okay, so you enter a short position. So if it breaks out here, you will enter a short position. So and you place your stop loss above here, okay, above the line here. So and maybe you take profit, you can use 1:2 this way. Okay. So for a break and retest, so guys, here, so guys, here is a support zone. So let me first take this off from our chart. So here is a support zone. Okay. So we first have to identify it. So here is our support zone here. So let's first identify it. So so guys, here is our support zone. Okay. So market came to this our support zone. So it broke out here. So for a better sniper entry, so if you want a sniper entry, you don't have to enter immediately yet. So what you have to do is for you to wait for it to get back to this level to retest, and then you will enter your sell sniper entry. Okay, so you will enter a sell sniper entry here with a very small stop loss and then a big take profit. So you will enter a sell entry here with a small stop loss and then a big take profit. So you can have up to like 1:5 to 1:10 on this trade successfully. Okay. So this trade hits 1:5. Okay, so if you invest $100 on this trade, you can get like up to $500 on this trade. Okay, so that is the break and retest. So it whenever it breaks out, wait for it to come and retest on the zone. Then you will enter your sale with small stop loss. Okay, So guys, let me show you guys another example of the break and retest. So guys, here is a support level, okay, because here is where the market, here is a point where the market stop selling and then start buying up, okay. So guys, what you have to do is to first identify the zone. So guys, here is the zone. So so the market broke out this zone. So then what you have to do is for us to wait for it to come back to the level again, and then we will enter our sell at this zone. Okay, so and then here the market is back at this zone. So what we have to do is to enter our short position and then place our stop loss above the zone. So you place your stop loss above the zone. So your take profit one, you can make it this next support zone, so which gave us one ratio. So this $100 you get $200 our take profit, and then we can make our take profit to one ratio four. Okay, and then our take profit to got it. Okay, so guys, let's take our chart back and then I'll show us an example buy of buys. Okay, so guys, let's check out for a perfect example of uh, support and resistance breakout in an uptrend. Okay, so guys, from here we see the good push up here. Okay, so guys, and after this push up the market starts dropping here. So here now becomes our resistance. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to mark out our resistance. So this is our resistance level. So as market started dropping, so what we have to do is for us to wait for market to get back to the level and break it to the upside. Okay, so and that happened. So what we have to wait for now is for the market to reach back, to fall back to this our previous resistance level. So we will now use it as the new support level. Okay, so we enter our trade from the new support level. Okay, so it is called resistance turned support. Okay, so the market came back to the level. So what we have to do is take our long position. So we enter our buy. So we place our stop loss below here, and then our take profit. So our take profit here, one ratio eight. Okay, so here's a very good example, a break test. Okay, so and this trade give us one ratio eight. So if you invest $1,000 on this trade, you can get over $8,000 profit. Okay, so guys, this is how we trade support and resistance and make cool money from the market. Okay, so guys, if you enjoy watching this video, make sure to smash the like button, okay, so that this video can reach more audience. Okay, and also if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Okay, so I post good content like this. Okay, thanks.